What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the 545 LB1E-TK. This is going to be our 5 on 4.5 hub kit for a 3,500 pound axle using an 84 spindle with the Timken bearings. This is going to fit most Dexter, Alco, Lippert, Hayes axles. This will not fit a marine axle. See right here, this is the box you get it in. Got our nice logo on there. And we got our small parts here. We got our hub here. So we're going to have our hub with 1/2-inch studs. We can see the races are pressed in on both sides already. Then from outside to outside, we're going to have roughly 6.5 inches. And then from outside to outside on the top, it's going to be roughly 2.5. And then from the base to the top, you're going to have roughly 1 3/4. That's going to be our hub. Then we'll have our small parts here. And with these kits, we're going to get our bolt circle guide, so you can check and make sure that the hub is the same one that you got, and in the future you can check and make sure that you get the right thing. Just pop it on there and it tells you which size. And we're going to have our Timken bearings. Our outer is going to be the 44649, and these are going to be stamped Timken made in the US bearings. And then our inner is going to be the 68149. Then we're going to have our grease cap here. That just pops right on the end. We're going to have our 5 lug nuts here. These are going to be our 1/2-inch cone style lug nuts. And then we're going to have our seal, which is going to be the 58846DL. And these are going to be 1.7 on your inner diameter and 2.5 on your outer diameter. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's the 545 LB1E-TK.